Chapter 1, Lesson 10, Histograms. So we'll look at all of these, how to choose your intervals and bins and stuff like that in example 2. But example 1, sales tax rates vary widely across the United States. 4 states charge no state or local sales tax at all: Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, and Oregon. This table shows the data on the average total tax rate for each of the remaining 46 states and the District of Columbia in a recent year. We need to make a frequency histogram of 9 intervals with a width of 1. So that means that we're going to have 9 different bins, 9 different groups, and each group is going to have an X value difference of 1. So from 1 to 1.99999. Basically 1 to 2, and then the next group is going to be from 2 up to almost 3, and the next group is going to be from 3 up to almost 4. Once we have the shape, we can once we have the histogram, we can identify the shape of the distribution, because these are all quantitative variables, so it makes sense to say whether it's skewed or symmetric, and then identify the best measure of center. And then we need to find out what percent of values is less than 6%. So I've sped this up a little bit by setting myself up a chart here where the X values are the sales tax rate, if we wanted to, we could actually include a 0 to 1 because we have 4 states that do not have sales tax at all. Now, we just need to find any number from 1.0 up to 1.999 between 1 and 2. To speed that up, I have copied all of these numbers into my calculator, and I've sorted the list by ascending order so that we can go a 1.8. There's only one number between 1 and 2. So we just have 1 in there. We have nothing between 2 and 3, nothing between 3 and 4. We have a single between, wrong one. 4.4 is a number between 4 and 5. 5.4. So all my 5 numbers, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of those. All of my 6 numbers, my 6% sales taxes and higher, 6 up to almost 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I lost count. Let's go back and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 of those, 15 in the 6 almost up to 7 range. That's a big one. I should also probably be using a straight edge for all of these lines to make them a little bit easier to read and to draw. Our 7% sales tax states, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. Our 8% range, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. And lastly, our 9% range, I should have gone up to 10. Because they didn't ask me to do this one. They asked me to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 would be that one. And lastly, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 with sales tax rates of around 9%, or between 9 and 10%. So I added an extra one here. I wasn't supposed to do the 0 to 1, but there is our histogram. If we look at the part of the graph that they asked us to, or even the other part, it kind of looks like we are more piled up on the right, and we are creating a tail, or maybe a tail. We're stretching out to the left, so that means that part B, this looks like it's skewed left. Again, our highest point isn't in the middle of our picture. Even if we take this part out, our highest point is actually a little bit more on the right. It means our tail, our pull, our skew is going to the left. If we are skewed at all, that means the median will be best. IQR goes with the median. And then what percent of values fall less than 6? So we have a total of 6 here, 1 here, 1 here. 6 and 1 and 1 would be a total of 8 out of 46 states, plus the District of Columbia, 8 out of 47. Or 0.170, 17%. 17% of the states with sales tax have sales tax rates below 6%. And that's example 1.